Welcome to Half-Ass Garage. On today's episode, we're going to go ahead and take the transmission off of the 1.8 donor motor, and we're going to take the wiring harness and shit off of this and start tearing this sucker down to the point where we can go ahead and bolt this thing up to a engine stand that I got from Zach. Thank you, Zach. And it's not a Harbor Freight one, so I'm even more excited to set that son of a bitch up. So, yeah, let's get into it. Told you he'd be here. He was saving the day with some propane. Thank you. All right, guys. So far we got the harness off, and yeah, there's a shitload of fucking oil everywhere, and I have a transmission to take off. So yeah, I figure out how to do that other than the obvious. What do you think it is? The obvious plus what? Probably having to take that motor mount out and the starter, obviously, to get to the flywheel bolts, probably. It's an automatic transmission. It kind of, should be. How many do you think there are on this German thing?
You're definitely gonna have to take the starter out.
Yeah, 3 or 4 bolts on the flywheel. Probably 4. Yeah, I think it's 4 too. The only thing I've ever seen 3 on is the GM, like the 3100s, 30. Anyway. So yeah. Anyway, let's figure out how to take the starter and transmission off. Fucking piece of shit all the way up there. Oh man, that thing's covered in nastiness. Oh man, this is gross. Oh, hey, I don't know. There's a shield attached to the starter, and yeah, it looks like actually only 2 bolts to take it out. Maybe you can do this without making a catastrophe happen here. All right, it may only just be those 2 bolts, and then it'll come out. Let's see. All right, so at this point, we've got quite a few of the bolts out from the case, and what we're going to do now is take the flywheel bolts off. Oh good, they're Torx. So I got Torx, and we are going to go ahead and in order to get all these fucking bolts out of there, there's probably, I presume 4, like we were talking about earlier. Those are the bolts 4 we were talking about. We have to turn the whole.
Florida this weekend.
We got to turn the whole whatchajibbit here. All right, so that's the flywheel bolt that we have to take off. It's 1 of 4 probably. What we're going to do is, in order to turn that to get access to each one all the way around, we're going to go ahead and from the crank that bitch down. You want to give me a hand? All right. Look at those shiny suckers. So I'm pulling the plugs out so that it's easier to crank over. Well, crank. And you won't have pressure. It makes life easy here. But look at these fucking things. Take that one out. Let's see what we got. Give it a good pull. Yank it! See? Oh, it's messing with you now. Oh, another new one. It's not even like they replaced the one that it needed. They did all of them. It's coming. He's got the power! Until he elbows me in the face. Yeah, buddy. We got a little bukkake down on the bottom of these suckers. Actually, only really that one. No, it's new. So obviously we got some seepage of the oils, but that's all right. Mostly back on this one. There's some gunk.
When you take that out, you gotta softly take that out, right? You can't.
I'm gonna crank that fucking thing off and snap it in pieces. I'm just kidding. I don't want to do that. Yeah, you know it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's over. I'm out of it.
Anyway. So, yeah. Now put it up on a stand. We took the plugs out earlier, as I was centered, So we'll just throw those suckers in there for now. Yeah. Get in there, you fucking. So, what's next? What do I do now?
Drink beer.
Ooh!
Smoke pot.
Ooh!
Eat.
Ooh! You go with him. Let's see if I have any more energy to come back out here. Maybe it'll be a new day next time I come out here. Maybe it'll be later.
We should get it on the motor stand though before we leave tonight.
Yeah? Well, let's do that then. You want to get it on the engine stand? I'll go in the house real quick. We'll scoop the engine stand. It's in the house. I gotta put it together.
And it's not a Harbor Freight.
It's not. It's fucking Jags. Which is, yeah, dude, ballin'.
He's pretty pumped as you.
Dude, I'm pumped. I can't even wait to open the thing. And so, yeah, we'll use the cherry picker, pick this fucking nose right here, and put it on the thing, and do some slide action.
No.
All right, we'll do a little unboxing. You know, I can use the footage. Oh, that some bitch. Why would they use electrical tape? It's so annoying. All right. Oh, it's warm because we're from in the house. That's awesome. Sounds like chimes. Oop, as I punch black all in the face with this fucking thing.
There's a stand. No, that's Yep.
Well, I hope we're men, because we don't have directions. Oh, they're over there.
Right.
They're right there. I found them. Hope we're men. No directions. No, actually. You know? Definitely.
I scratched it there.
You know what? I already know what I want to do
What?
if I start to get monetized and you know, can earn money. My commercial will just be the half-ass tip of the day. And it'll be one of the sponsors. Go do this. That's my tip. If you want the whole thing, let me know. Ah!
Yes. That was a real knee slapper.
I do slap it. It does slap my knee every once in a while. I wear shorts. I presume I probably want to take the flywheel off first. So I need to get some 12 pointers.
Alright, I'm done holding this.
Hey.
All right, Charlie. I appreciate your cooperation. I mean, you gonna do stuff now?
Nah.
Nah. All right. Well, we're gonna do it the half-ass way here and just kind of throw you guys over here for now. There you go. So you guys can see everything. It's perfect. All right. Oh my god, that thing is a death fucking trap. So I don't know. It was. Yeah, I mean, it was wide enough where everybody. You definitely saw some of the stupidity. So thank you guys. I'm glad you didn't fucking die.
Yeah, this almost made me die.
Go on, it's gonna make you die again. Hold on. You're killing the game, bud. Alright, other than a potty foul and some more potty foul. Boom.